Yep, alright guys and gals, again, it's Metalman8713 here today. Yep, and how is everybody Fan-Dabby Dozy doing today, probably? Obviously I had up and I was quite stutter, that character Ronnie Barker played me. Stutter. I almost stuttered for a second, it came from, well anyway, it came from watching the programme probably. Well anyway, hello guys and gals again. You're welcome to my next video once again, and also, yep, in this video, I haven't done this for a couple of years. I'm here to bring you a brand new shorter length Bonfire Night thing today, and also this is a bit of a change slightly from what I've done last time, because in previous years you would have seen me gone to a fireworks display, possibly. Anyway, in the ones, for example, Hutton Rugby, Swainby, and also there was one on the top of what's known as the Cleveland Hills as well. Anyway, for a change this time, we've did our own display in the back garden this time, and I'm here to bring you a very short video clips of some of those fireworks which happened again. So, yep, I hope you all very much enjoy this video. Peace.
Four. Do you know how many there is? 6. Oh. That was a good one.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
I can smell it.
Yeah, it's not just that one, it's half.
Oh yeah.
This is 6.
Yeah. Very secret display on here.
They all
In the
look
round back garden.
different.
They're all
But all
different.
the smoke.
Yes, sorry.
That's weird.
Oh, are you behind me?
It's smoky.
Yeah, you don't need to call.
Well, I think there's some other ones going on the front.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, can't reach.
Oh, the spinning wheel. Oh, it's just...
Our own display, folks.
Come, get back. God! I'm sure. I nearly fell over, but I was just about to go quick, let's move. I'm not going to land there going to photograph it. I don't think I'll bother actually.
Oh, I all the way over there.
I did.
You wouldn't have been with us.
Umbrella.
It's not really, is it?
I don't know. I'm standing in far back, so.
Can I stand behind you?
Standing over here. Oh, it's gone off there.
Hey, that was a good one.
All the time.
Is that going to go?
Oh, that's a good one.
Going off.
Yeah, that's good, Dad.
Oh, it's doing another.
Are some of these ones going to go up, or these ones just going to stay here? I don't know.
Is it going to do it?
Oh.
That's nice, that
Yeah,
one.
that was a good one.
Yeah. Oh, well.
Am I in the way of you?
No.
Five.
There's the other one. That was good.
Is that finished, that one?
Yeah.
Don't, yeah. Yeah.
Supposed to be 6.
I wasn't expecting that.
You never know what you're going to get.
Is that it?
Is that? pretty one, isn't it? Mm.
Good.
Run. Oh, right.
Must be one that goes up, probably.
Do a photo or video. I might do a video.
Ooh, that means it's a good one.
Well, this is probably one that goes up, probably.
Oh, might not be.
Is this the final one?
Final countdown.
That came
Not the penultimate.
There we go, it's the 98. Now run back now. Oh, that went on the bushes. Oh, this is a selection of them on the roll.
I think I missed them.
I did as well.
Oh, I got them.
I missed him.